necessitasse di essere ulteriormente gonfiato, spostate nel più vicino. Il supporto è dotato di una luce e un fischietto per attivare la funzione. Il personale di bordo vi fornirà assistenza mediante Vediamo di visionare la scheda di sicurezza nelle tasche del sedile prima del decollo, in quanto contiene importanti informazioni specifiche per questo aeromobile, come ad esempio la posizione da adottare in caso di emergenza e il funzionamento del sistema. Vi preghiamo ora di chiudere il tavolino, abbassare i braccioli, aprire l'oscurante del finestrino e allacciare la cintura di sicurezza. Grazie per l'attenzione.
Bonjour, encore une fois, bienvenue à bord de ce vol easyJet Europe à destination de Venise. Une bienvenue particulière aux détenteurs de la carte easyJet et nos voyageurs easyJet Holiday. Je m'appelle Émilie, j'ai le plaisir d'être votre chef de cabine. Avec moi à l'avant, Lise à l'arrière de la cabine, Robin et Malika. Nous sommes ici pour votre confort et votre sécurité. Si vous avez besoin de quoi que ce soit pendant le vol, n'hésitez pas à nous le demander. Dans quelques instants, mes collègues vont vous présenter les consignes de sécurité. Votre attention est requise. Merci, nous vous souhaitons un agréable vol. Good evening once again, welcome on board the easyJet Europe Flight 200. A special welcome to easyJet holders and easyJet holidays travelers. My name is Emily, I'm the pleasure of being your travel manager. Today with me at the front is Lise at the rear of the cabin, Robin and Malika will go for your comfort and your safety. If there's anything you need during the flight, please don't hesitate to ask. In a few short moments, the cabin crew will present safety features. All of your attention is required. Thank you, and we wish you a day of
of this aircraft. Please pay attention to the illuminated signs and crew instructions. The location of the emergency exits is shown on the safety card and is demonstrated by the crew. Please make sure you know where your nearest exits are. They may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In an emergency, leave all bags on board. To fasten your seatbelt, push the metal end into the buckle until it clicks. Pull the loose end to adjust and unfasten by lifting the top of the buckle. It must be fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and we suggest you keep it fastened whenever you're in your seat. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with the strap. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. If we land on water, take a life jacket from under your seat. Remove it from the pouch and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. Pull the strap to adjust. You must not inflate your life jacket until you are outside. Once outside, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If it doesn't inflate or needs topping up, blow into the tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The crew can help you with life jackets for children. Please look at the safety card in your seat pocket before takeoff. It contains important safety information specific to this aircraft, such as the brace position and operation of the exits. Please now close your seat table, put the armrest down, open the window blinds, and fasten your seat belts. Thank you for your attention.
Gardez votre ceinture de sécurité lorsque vous êtes assis. Prenez garde en ouvrant les coffres à bagages car les objets pourraient tomber. Les toilettes sont situées à chaque extrémité de la cabine et sont toutes équipées de détecteurs de fumée. Nous rappelons qu'il est interdit de fumer à bord. Ceci inclut également les cigarettes électroniques. Please keep your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is on. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are sitting. Take care when opening the overhead lockers in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin and all